What came in your mind to cast someone like Sonam Kapoor who killed the show?
No, see, Sonam actually, when Atul spoke to me about Nirja at that time, there was no script which had been written. We spent a year and a half, but that time he told me that Sonam Kapoor is attached to it already, and so we went to meet the family with Sonam. Yeah.
आर्या में भी मैम सुष्मिता मैम को काफी लोगों ने कहा यार सुष्मिता मैम ने किल कर दिया है.
Sushmita for 5 years had not, or 10 years, had not really said yes to anybody. I believe that I'm in the business of feelings. So whether it's a 10-second का feeling, ये जो रस जो है वो लोगों को दिल तक छूना चाहिए. सुष्मिता के साथ वो जब बोलती है वो मुंह पे बोलती है, स्ट्रेट बोलती है. तो when she said yes, she meant yes. देखा से अच्छा क्या है, सीन क्या है, अच्छा 2 मिनट मुझे ज़रा मूड में आने दो, अच्छा रोल कैमरा, हाँ क्लैप लगाओ, हाँ ओके एक्शन ऐसे नहीं होता. So I do it in a way in which it brings out the best in the actor because I make it real.
It comes naturally.
It comes naturally. Kesari 2 is a film which is also about the massacre, but it's a different case.
It's more about courtroom.
That's a courtroom side. I wish Akshay Kumar, Dharma, the whole team, every success. I hope people go and see the film. Hi, this is Ram Madhwani and you're watching me on Bazooka.
Hello and hi, this is me Vishal Mukesh Ambani and today we have someone very special. Today we have someone national winning award. Sir, firstly, welcome to Bazooka and it's pleasure having you.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
So, what would you like to say about winning a national award and how do you see your this amazing journey? If I say in a small word, काफी कमाल की जर्नी है. आप किस तरह से डिस्क्राइब करते हो इस
जी
जर्नी
ये
को?
तो सिर्फ स्ट्रगल है.
हाँ.
हम काम बनाते हैं, कभी कभी लोगों को अच्छा लगता है, एंड ऑब्वियसली इफ यू गेट द नेशनल अवार्ड
Yes.
which is right here behind,
Yeah.
it is a thing that makes you proud. ऐसा कुछ लगता है कि आपको एक एंकर देता है कि you made something, that you went to meet the president of India. माय को प्रोड्यूसर अमिता हमारे साथ थी, मेरे भाई हमारे साथ थे, बमन ईरानी भी आए थे
Yes.
हमारे साथ ऑडियंस में. सो इवन दो ही वाज नॉट इन नीरजा, he came just to be part of the family. So it was something which is very, very special.
Nirja is very close to your heart.
It is because when I went to meet the family, the Bhanot family, or when I went to meet the mother, Nirja's mother, very inspirational lady. And so that is when I was speaking to Saivan, who's our co-writer, Sanyukta, who's our co-writer, Atul Kasbekar, who's the co-producer, कि ये जो कहानी जो है, it is about Nirja, but it's also about how does a parent overcome the loss of their child.
Yeah.
And so this is how it was an inspirational. When I saw her, I was inspired because of her एक sort of motivational lady थी. And Dadi we used to call her. She came to see the shoot. She was not alive for the release, but she came and blessed us. So that was a big memory.
And tell us something. What came in your mind to cast someone like Sonam Kapoor who killed the show? कहते हैं ना ऑडियंस कह रही थी यार ये किल कर दिया है.
Yeah.
आर्या में भी मैम सुष्मिता मैम को काफी लोगों ने कहा यार सुष्मिता मैम ने किल कर दिया है. What was there behind the casting part?
No, see, Sonam actually, when Atul spoke to me about Nirja at that time, there was no script which had been written. We spent a year and a half, but that time he told me that Sonam Kapoor is attached to it already, and so we went to meet the family with Sonam. And so I was somebody who was very happy that Sonam said yes. Even with Shushmita, Shushmita for 5 years had not, or 10 years, had not really said yes to anybody. And so ये जो पावर जो होता है वो एक्टरों के ऊपर पावर होता है, ग्रीन लाइटिंग का पावर जो बोलते हैं ना, कि टू ग्रीन लाइट अ फिल्म और टू ग्रीन लाइट अ सीरीज. सो व्हेन दे से यस इज व्हेन you can actually make something. So with both of them, I'm just thankful that they agreed. They agreed to the way that I work. They agreed to the concept, the idea that this is what we're doing. And I think along with talent and along with passion, I think that there was also a hunger. And I think that hunger is also very important.
As a maker, you have worked as a cinema, you have worked in the OTT. As a maker, what are the difference that you believe there is? Is there any difference as a maker or as a director when you make a film or a web series? Is there anything
So
changes?
I also make ads. तो
Yeah.
पहले से हम advertising से शुरू की हमारी जो journey जो है. I believe that I'm in the business of feelings. So whether it's a 10 second का feeling, ये जो रस जो है, वो मैं 5 सेकंड का अगर मैंने वो रस पकड़ लिया,
Yeah.
या 5 घंटे का रस मैंने पकड़ लिया, because in a series, as long as वो जो आपको clear है कि भाई ये जो नस जो आपको पकड़ना है, ये जो रस जो आपको पकड़ना है, वो लोगों को दिल तक छूना चाहिए. अगर मैंने ऐड भी बनाई, देखो एयरटेल की ऐड बनाई कुछ सालों पहले, हर एक फ्रेंड ज़रूरी होता है, या हैप्पी डेंट की ऐड बनाई, या अभी भी मैंने एक लास्ट मंथ एक दूसरी ऐड बनाई. वो उसमें अगर लोगों को वो प्रिडिक्शन होना चाहिए विदाउट प्रेसिंग बटन्स कि दिस इज़ हाउ आई शुड मेक यू फील. इफ आई सक्सीड इन दैट, then I am a person who is actually practicing it correctly.
Yeah.
Sometimes if I don't succeed, and if it has not connected, or if it has not hit your heart, then I have not done it well.
Yeah.
Because my eventual task, my eventual job is to see how I can make you feel. So it's really that. If then whether I can, like in Nirja, if I can make you cry, or in Arya it's a tragedy. It's about एक माँ अपने बच्चों के लिए कुछ भी कर सकती है, या if I can give you the thrill, then those are the things that will keep you, how shall I say, कभी कभी क्या होता है जब आप ये देखते हो ना, it makes you forget yourself. At the same time it makes you remember yourself. So this is the beauty about what we practice.
Where she's very connected with the family.
Exactly.
What was the discussion with the script with Sushmita ma'am when you had a first conversation? Did you remember the first conversation with ma'am?
Yeah.
What was it?
So we met her and I told her that, look, this is what we're making, and this is how I work. I work with 3 or 4 cameras. I work with long takes. I don't use lights. I don't say action. I don't say cut. मैं film lights नहीं use करता हूँ. मैं thermocol नहीं use करता हूँ. So I shoot it in a realistic kind of way. And so I told her the concept. I told her this is how I shoot. It's called System 360. And she said yes. So I said, what do you mean you just said yes? So when I was walking out to the lift, I told my wife, I said, Amita, she's my co-producer also. I said, हाँ तो बोल दिया, but I think 2 दिन के बाद उनका lawyer will call us up and say, sorry, she's had second thoughts. Yeah. Then I realized Sushmita के साथ वो जब बोलती है वो मुंह पे बोलती है, straight बोलती है. So when she said yes, she meant yes, and so I was quite surprised that she said yes so fast. She said she was waiting for an opportunity like this, and so I'm happy that she said yes, because she was Arya. So when she asked me what is my character, I said Sushmita Sen is Arya.
There was a particular scene in the show where there were 2 or 3 robbery who came and killed Arya's husband.
Correct.
And after that she came to know about the concept.
Correct.
And उनकी आंखों में ऐसा लगता है यार एक्टिंग आंखों से हो रही है.
Yeah.
आपको पर्टिकुलर सीन के बारे में, what was the story behind it?
Well, what happens a lot of the time when you are you need to get your actor in a, ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए कि भाई अच्छा देखान से अच्छा क्या है सीन, क्या है, अच्छा 2 मिनट हम मुझे जरा मूड में आने दो, अच्छा रोल कैमरा, हाँ क्लैप लगाओ, हाँ ओके एक्शन, ऐसा नहीं होता है. Okay, that's not the way it works. You have to get them to arrive at that. So like I'll get her to walk from outside her home. I will get 40 people over there who she has met earlier as part of the family. It will feel like a real funeral. There will be dhoop over there. So by the time you make it feel so believable that the actor themselves are already in a environment and a zone. अदरवाइज क्या होता है, एक्टिंग जो है ना ये, अच्छा मेरा लुक किधर है, हाँ उधर है लुक, तो मैं थर्मोकॉल के सामने में लुक में वहाँ लुक से मैं एक्टिंग करता हूँ. बट व्हाट आई डू इज आई डू इट सो दैट आई शूट विथ 3 or 4 कैमरास और द अदर एक्टर इज ऑल्सो देयर, तो मैं उनके ऊपर भी होगा, इनके ऊपर भी होगा. सो आई डू इट इन अ वे इन विच इट इज brings out the best in the actor, because I make it real.
It comes naturally.
It comes naturally. So that's why when you're looking at Nirja, you're looking at Arya, it feels believable. It doesn't feel fake.
Yeah. Was there any project that has been released or it is going to be released? क्या आपके mind में आया यार ये project, I want to do this kind of project in future?
हाँ अभी एक्चुअली कुछ रिलीज तो नहीं हुआ, हम लिख रहे हैं.
हम्म,
मुझे एक कमर्शियल पिक्चर बनानी है जो लोग कहते हैं मसाला पिक्चर, थाली जैसा सब कुछ उसमें होना चाहिए. आई हैव नॉट येट डन लिपसिंग सॉन्ग्स दो. इन द वेकिंग ऑफ अ नेशन जो हमने अभी बनाई है ऑन द जलियांवाला बाग मैसेकर, वहाँ 4 गाने हैं, कबीर के गाने हैं. सो दैट माई लीड एक्टर तारुक रैना हैज संग दो सॉन्ग्स.
yeah,
बट नाउ आई वॉन्ट टू डू एक्चुअल फुल ब्लोन लिपसिंग सॉन्ग्स विद डांस, क्योंकि ये जो हमारे जो फिल्म के what we grew up with,
Yeah.
we have forgotten, and I
Mhm.
feel that we are losing. So I want to go back to our cinema. मैंने यादों की बारात I've seen some 12 times. I've seen जुगनू, शक्ति, सिलसिला, so many great songs, so many great films, and I want to go back to now creating lip sync songs and music.
Yes. And what about your last show? If I talk about your last show, Jallianwala Bagh, it
Ji.
was upon, and now Kesari 2 is also coming with the same type
Correct.
of project.
So
Anything like you would say, the one thing that I have noticed in
Right.
London, there is a chapter,
right,
but in India nobody talks about it. Now the movie is coming.
right,
Now suddenly everyone is talking, but your show is also there.
right,
So there are less people who know about the show,
right.
and there are less people, and there are more people who knows about the show, but it is very connected to each other. There is something like that. Do you believe?
So द वेकिंग ऑफ अ नेशन जो हमारा जो शो जो है वो सोनी लिव पे है. इट्स अ 6 सीरीज शो. उसमें वी डोंट हैव एनी रियल स्टार्स और एनीथिंग, बट इट इज़ अबाउट द जलियांवाला बाग मैसेकर. जो हम कहते हैं कि ये जो हत्याकांड जो हुआ, ये आपको पता है, लेकिन वो क्यों हुआ, व्हाई डिड इट हैपन, वाज देयर अ साजिश. हम कहते हैं कि इसमें कुछ कंस्पिरेसी थी. आपको लगता है कि जनरल डायर एक दिन उठ के वहाँ जाके उन लोग ने मैसेकर किया, बट एक्चुअली देयर वाज समथिंग बिगर देन दैट. वी आर आल्सो टॉकिंग अबाउट समथिंग व्हिच इज़ अ कमीशन व्हिच वाज, एंड दे ब्रिटिश राज 6 महीने के बाद दे पुट टुगेदर अ कमिटी टू इन्वेस्टिगेट कि ये क्यों हुआ, किसका हाथ था इसके ऊपर. तो दैट इज़ व्हाट आवर शो इज़ अबाउट. Kesari 2 is a film which is also about the massacre, but it's a different case.
It's more
that they
about
have.
courtroom. Sir.
That's a courtroom style.
Yeah.
हमारा भी एक courtroom है, but they're two different. ये जो है हमारी जो हंटर कमीशन पंजाब डिसऑर्डर्स कमेटी जो हुआ था 6 महीने बाद, उसके ऊपर है. वो उन लोग की जलियांवाला बाग के ऊपर है, लेकिन अलग कहानी है.
Yes.
And like I wish them all the success. I wish Akshay Kumar, Dharma, the whole team, every success. I hope people go and see the film. And I'm hoping that you go and see our show also,
Yes,
which
yes.
is on Sony Live, The Waking of a Nation.
Yeah.
It's streaming now. So I'm hoping everybody is successful.
How was your research part doing that?
So हमने 5 साल पहले हमने शुरू किया ये लिखने का. There was Shantanu Srivastava and Shatrujit Nath, my co-writers. So we did a lot of research. A lot of it is in the public domain. जो episode 4 में General Dyer is called and he does not even say sorry.
Yeah.
कि उसने जो किया, ही फील्स के अगर उनको एक आर्मर्ड कार भी अंदर लेके जाना था, लेकिन वो दरवाज़ा जो था जलियांवाला बाग का दरवाज़ा बहुत छोटा था. सो ही वाज नॉट एबल टू टेक द आर्मर्ड कार. सो व्हेन ही इज आस्क्ड, ही सेज इफ आई वाज अलाउड टू टेक इट, आई वुड हैव ओपन्ड फायर विद द आर्मर्ड कार.
Yeah.
सो इट्स क्वाइट शॉकिंग. जो आर्काइव्स में जो पेपर जो है, जो अगर आप वो गूगल पे है, वो इंटरनेट पे है, वो आप एक्चुअली जब पढ़ते हो, दे ब्लड बॉइल्स. You get
Yeah.
very angry by what is actually, with no apology, with nothing they have been saying this, you know. So I've also been to Jallianwala Bagh. You see it, it is a very tragic, sad event in our history. And to us, it is a conspiracy that was pre-planned. It was a pre-planned massacre to teach us a lesson.
एज अ डायरेक्टर जब आपको पता चलती है, ऐसे कमेंट आते हैं, नॉर्मली पीपल से इसकी इस तरह की कहानी हमारे किताबों में क्यों नहीं पढ़ाई जाती है, लंदन की किताब में पढ़ाई जाती है. अब भी रिसेंटली एक मूवी आई थी छावा, उसके बाद तो इतने लोगों ने कहा यार हमें औरंगजेब की कहानी काफी लोग ने पढ़ाई, बट छावा जी की कहानी काफी कम लोगों ने पढ़ाई. एज अ डायरेक्टर व्हेन यू लिसन दिस कमेंट्स, तो आपके माइंड में क्या आता है कि हमारी फिल्मों के जरिए हम और लोगों तक पता सकते हैं इस तरह की कहानी?
So first, when we cast 12 people from London, none of them knew about Jallianwala Bagh.
None of
ये
them.
जो कहानी जो है और ये जो हुआ जो है, जो हिस्ट्री जो है, वो लोग सिखाते नहीं है ब्रिटिश स्कूल्स में. ये हमारे स्कूल में तो एटलीस्ट जलियांवाला बाग तो सिखाते हैं, लेकिन हंटर कमीशन के बारे में या सिर्फ जनरल डायर था या कुछ साजिश था, वो नहीं सिखाते.
Yeah.
But over there, they don't even know about it. So those 12 people who came down, the white actors, the British actors who were very, very good. And they said, we are doing this because we want to let the world know. लेकिन ये उनके स्कूल में सिखाया नहीं जाता है. Okay. So I feel that for history not to repeat itself, because they say history always repeats itself, for history not to repeat itself, we should remember it.
Yeah.
These are ways in which we can remember it, so that we can understand what happened to us. कि ये जो लोग आए हमें civilize करने के लिए, we are the oldest civilization in the world. They came to civilize us. They taught us how to eat with a fork and knife. बोला हाथ से नहीं खाना चाहिए. बोले भाई ये आप जो गोरे रंग जो है वो white superior होते हैं. So all of this, how did we allow this to happen? How is it that we are the world's oldest civilization, and how did this actually come to be? So this is really what I wanted to also speak about.
Which is the one South actor or two South actor you would like to work with in future?
Well, they are all extremely good, but I've been following the career of Fahad Fasil.
Yes.
I respect his talent and his work a lot, and I search his films out.
Lastly, any message to the audience about your upcoming projects or anything?
So first, I think on The Waking of a Nation, it's something which is on Sony Live. Please see it. It has it's a film, it's a series about 4 दोस्त की कहानी है. और ये आपको लगता है जलियांवाला बाग के बारे में आपने काफ़ी कुछ शायद देखा होगा, पढ़ा होगा, लेकिन ये जो भाग जो है कि एक साजिश है, कि ये इट वाज अ प्री प्लान्ड कंस्पिरेसी, समथिंग दैट यू डोंट नो, एंड इट्स ऑल्सो गॉट ए investigation, it's got a thrill, so I'm hoping that you will like it. It's also got कबीर के गाने, तो संत कबीर के भी गाने जो है, तो I'm hoping that you will see it and I'm hoping that you like it.
Thank you so much, sir.